Let's have few MCQ questions for the informatic practices. The first one, we have imported pandas with the name as X. The name of the list is SER and trying to convert it into series and printing the variable PR where the output of series is being stored. So let us evaluate the outputs one by one. If we talk about the first one, there is no data type. In all the other three cases, we have data type mentioned. So first one gets eliminated. In the case of second one, we have numbers like 235, which is available, index like 012, which is available, but the data type shown over here is 32, int 32, which is wrong. In the third case, the wrong option is 1 because index by default starts from 0. Till that time, we are not mentioning anything. So the correct answer left to us is number D. Let's see the next question. In this question, we have import pandas as GD this time. Import pandas as GD. Then the name of the list is FS, TRM, MK, and that is first term marks. Now, in the next line, at the time of creating series, the index value given as English, BST, and IP. Storing the data into the variable KB and printing the result. Let's evaluate the answers one by one. The first case, we have English, BST, and IP, which is not mentioned here. That goes wrong. In the second case, once again, English, BST, IP is not mentioned. Index number. The confusing part is in the first case, index was starting from 0. Here, index was starting from 1. So both the answers stands wrong because the index is labeled this time. So we have English and BST and IP. If we talk about the difference in between answer number C and answer number D, let's evaluate it properly. We have 4.0. Since we have 4.0, so the correct answer should be that of float. So in this case, the answer is option number D. Let's see question number 3 now. In question number 3, we have list 1 with the name of people, list 2 with the name of blood group. In this case, index is people. Index is people, which should come first at the time when I'm going to print it. So at the time when I'm going to print the value, the index will going to come first. And right now, let us evaluate the answers one by one. Let's talk from number D. We have only Abhi and Biman. The I is not there. So wrong. We have the index value as the name of blood group, which goes wrong once again. In this case, the data type given is strings, which is wrong once again. We have a data type called as an object. So the correct answer available is number A. Let's go to the next question now. A list named as LS with index like maths, science, English, and EVS. So 4 subjects: math, science, English, and EVS. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here also we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I feel 5. So in case the index count and the count of the values given in series is not matching, then there should be an error message available on the screen. So we have a proper answer over here in which we are not including 3. We have a proper answer here where 3 is included, but some random value has been given. We have a proper answer here, but once again, we are getting an answer. An answer will not come. So the option available to us should be an error message. Since error message is not given, so none of the above. Every time, whenever we have none of the above, we should evaluate the options given to us at least twice. Let's see the last question in the same set. The question says that we have a series called as LS. Creating a series, head shows the records from the top. So over here we have -3. So -3 means, let us highlight -3. This is -1, this is -2, this is -3. So it means that 92 is the index from the right side to evaluate -3. So in this case, 36, 58, 67 and 84 should come as an output. And these numbers are labeled with 0 -1 index at this place. So this goes wrong for the same reason. Over here, the count of record is coming less. The count of record is starting from position 1, which is wrong. So in the next upcoming video, in the same series, we'll see more questions from informative practices regarding the upcoming MCQ examination for term 1 semester 1. Thank you for watching.